How to buy Kango token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account first and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and keep engaging with it. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go on CoinMarketCap and open it there. As you can see, this token, it's available on these exchange platforms. Just select one of these, for example, MixC. So if you click on this pair, you will be redirected to MixC, and make sure to log into your account and make sure you have enough fund or USDT in your account to be able to buy this token. So go and on this option called buy, you have two options, the limit and the market. In the limit, now here type how much you want to buy, and because I don't have any fund, I can't enter how much I want to buy. Or you can drag this to select how much of percentage you want to buy with this token, and after that just click on buy and you will buy this token. And the market option, if you click on it, now you have the option to enter how much you want to buy with USDT, or drag this to set how much of percentage of USDT you want to buy with this token. And after that, just click on buy Kango like that, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Kango token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.